Hello guys and welcome. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to add Solana to your Trust Wallet step by step. Okay, let's get in. First of all, you're going to have to open up your Trust Wallet app, and whilst you're logging in, you'll be met with the prompt to put in your passcode. And once you've inputted your passcode, you're gaining access like this. Voila, and we're in. In order to add Solana, being the coin version, you're not going to receive, buy or swap or even send. All you need to do is just to quickly click on the toggle icon to the top right corner of the screen. Once you've clicked on it, you search for Sol, S-O-L, and you click on Solana. You can either buy Solana. They give the option on Trust Wallet through different uh, exchange platforms: Mercury, MoonPay, Transact, Ramp, and Simplex. But right now we are just going to add Solana to our Trust Wallet app by simply clicking on the toggle, switching the toggle icon to the right, and I believe we should have Solana at the bottom. Okay, here's Solana. We have Solana right here, highlighted in blue. Once you click on it, you can either stake your Solana, you could send, you could receive, you could buy Solana, you could even check the charts and things about the Sol coin. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in. Please, if you have any questions regarding how to add Solana to your Trust Wallet app, comment down below, and have a nice day.